Hi, my name is Victoria Law, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of 6 exercises for your functioning movement system. We're going to start with our chest, back, arms, legs, shoulders, and our calves. For our chest, we're going to do an overhead dumbbell. For this one, you're going to take your arms out straight and move them over your head, and I personally do about 3 to 4 reps of those of 10. For today, I have my 10-pound weight, and I'm going to show you on your bench, and we'll sit. Here, you're going to lay down straight on your back, arms up above your head, and do a curl up over your head. Up and down, up and down. Or, if you would like, you could do it sitting, straight up and down, up and down. You could do this while standing for personal choice. This workout really works on your pectoral muscles and your triceps, and as well as your upper core. For this one, after about 1 rep or 2, my chest really starts to ache a little bit, and sometimes I need to take a 5-second or 2-second break. Now, we're going to move on to our back with what I call a hamstring curl. You might want to remove your shoes for this one. This one, you're going to lay flat on your back with your arms by your side. And we're going to try and move our back and our butt up, as well as we're snatching our legs to our butt. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could do a little bit more of those, depending on how much you like, but this one really works on your lower back, your core muscles, and even your glutes and a little bit of your calves. For this one, my lower back seems to ache a little bit for this one. Now we're gonna do our arms with a basic push-up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure our arms are about shoulder length apart. Feet are fully stretched out onto our toes. Make sure we're lined straight, and try and do a 90-degree angle. Up, down, up, down. This one can really work your bicep muscles, a little bit of your triceps, and definitely your pectoral with your core. My pectorals and my biceps really work for these ones after doing about 4 to 5 sets. Now we're gonna do our legs. With our legs, we're gonna do a basic squat, making sure we get a perfect 90-degree angle. With our squat, we're gonna put our legs about your shoulder width apart and make a 90-degree angle with our knees and our leg. I personally put my arms out straight just to keep a little bit balanced, but if you even want, you can add a weight just to add in a little pressure onto it. With this workout, it really works on your glutes, your lower back, and your lower legs, especially my calves. Next, we're going to work on our shoulders, which is the overhead dumbbell press. I don't quite have a proper weight for this, so I'm going to use a stick just as a tutorial for this video. For this one, we're going to try and make sure our arms are about your shoulder width apart from your body. Make sure it's above your head, straight up. I'm going to move a little bit just to show you. And then you're going to do a squat. Some people, you'll find it in competitions, they'll go here and then they'll go like that really quickly, but we're just going to do this. It really works on those shoulder muscles to keep this bar up. For that one, it really works on our pectoral muscles and our triceps and a little bit of that back shoulder muscle right there. That seems to really be the spot that gets me. And last but not least, we're going to work on to our calves. For this one, we're just going to do a basic calf raise from standing. So we're going to make sure we're getting our standing position, about our feet together kind of, and then we're just going to do up, down, up, down. This one is very common, especially in the dance studio that I am working in, just to keep our balance in our toes and the ankle flexion in our legs. These really work our lower legs and our ankle flexion, and even our plantar flexion in our leg and our feet. And if you're doing it properly, you can sometimes get a little bit of a cramp in your sole of your foot right here. Well, thank you. That was my little tutorial of my chest, back, arms, legs, and shoulder and calves for our functional movement system.